Once in a cozy kitchen, there lived a potato named Peter. Peter was round, brown, and very proud. He sat on top of the big burlap sack like it was a throne. "Potatoes are the best," Peter whispered to himself. "We are strong, we are sturdy, and everyone loves a good mash." One morning, a round onion named Oliver rolled over to say hello. "Good morning, Peter," Oliver chirped, his papery skin rustling. Peter just huffed and turned his nose up. "You are much too smelly, Oliver," Peter said. "A potato like me shouldn't be seen with someone who makes people cry." Then, a tiny green bean named Benny hopped by. "Can I play too?" Benny asked with a bounce. Peter looked down at the little bean and scoffed. "You are far too thin and floppy, Benny. A potato is solid and grand. You simply don't belong on my shelf." Suddenly, the kitchen door swung open. A kind woman named Chef Clara walked in with a big silver pot. She hummed a happy tune as she gathered things for dinner. Peter sat up straight, hoping to be chosen first because he was so important. Chef Clara reached into the sack and picked up Peter. "Perfect," she said. Peter felt very special. He looked back at the other vegetables as if to say, "See? I told you I was the star." He was ready to show everyone how wonderful a potato could be all by himself. But then, Chef Clara reached back down. She picked up Oliver the onion, too. Peter was shocked. "Wait," he thought, "why do we need the smelly one?" Chef Clara smiled at Oliver and tucked him into the basket next to Peter. Soon, Benny the Bean and many other friends were all in the basket. Chef Clara began to chop and stir. Splash! Peter and Oliver landed in the big silver pot of warm water. "Brr," Peter shivered. Oliver just smiled. "Don't worry, Peter. We're in this together." Then Benny the Bean splashed in beside them. The water began to turn into a golden broth. It smelled delicious. Peter noticed that Oliver's scent wasn't smelly anymore. It was savory and sweet. And Benny added a beautiful splash of bright green to the mix. Chef Clara took a big wooden spoon and tasted the stew. She whispered. "The potato makes it thick, the onion makes it sweet, and the beans make it crunch. It is perfect because everyone is here." Peter listened and realized that the soup wouldn't be very good if he were all alone. When the stew was served, Peter felt happier than ever. He wasn't just a potato anymore. He was part of a wonderful team. He looked at Oliver and Benny and smiled. "You know," Peter said, "I think we make a pretty great mix." And they all lived deliciously ever after.